I consider Blake Stoker a dear friend, and I really wanted to be at the grand opening of Blake's at Southern Milling on Saturday, May 14th, but it wasn't in the cards. So I thought I'd do my best to create a time capsule of sorts for Blake, his family, and his team, because your first day in business only happens once. For a little background, Blake opened the original trailer in Dresden in May of 2016, and it was just open. It was a summer gig for the first 2 summers, and then in April of 2019, they opened up the trailer in Martin. Now they're in a grain mill, and it's called Blake's at Southern Milling. This grain mill is over 104 years old, is opened in 1918. And for reference as to where Blake's at Southern Milling in Martin, Tennessee is, it's 130 miles from Memphis, 150 miles from Nashville, and 63 miles from B.E. Scott's, Zach Parker's place. So that way you can kind of wrap your head around it. Their current hours are Wednesday and Thursday from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Friday and Saturday from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. On opening day, they cook for 535 people. They had a lot of special guests, but they had 2 in particular that you might know of. Carrie Bexley from Snow's Barbecue and John Brotherton from Brotherton's Black Iron Barbecue and Liberty Barbecue. They both flew out and helped Blake on that first day, which is amazing, but not at all surprising due to the character of both of those guys. So everything at Blake's at Southern Milling is scratch made. It's Central Texas style with Blake's own twist, which of course means there's plenty of pimento cheese, deviled eggs, and moreover, he has an amazing pastry chef who is making scratch made desserts, which you'll see photos of. I've included video, thank you John Brotherton, as well as lots of photos that I've grabbed from different people from that opening day. I just wanted to put something fun together so that you get a chance to see what that first day was all about. And I truly hope you enjoy.
Breathe in. I love it. That's not working. That's not working. In the full part.